The world of artificial intelligence is changing so fast, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind. But what if I told you the biggest breakthroughs of technology are here right now? They're already reshaping our world in some pretty wild ways. Forget the dry, technical jargon. Today, we're breaking down the top 4 AI innovations you actually need to know about. We're talking about AI that can think, see, and even save lives. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about autonomous AI agents. And no, I'm not just talking about the chatbots that can't figure out your pizza order. This is a huge leap from AI as a simple tool to AI as a genuine teammate. These are sophisticated systems that can plan, reason, and act on their own to get things done. Think of them as digital coworkers you can delegate to. While they aren't perfectly self-sufficient just yet, they are getting shockingly good at handling multi-step tasks. For example, you could give an agent an objective like, organize my travel for next week's conference, and it can start to piece together the logistics, from finding flights to scheduling meetings. Many businesses are already piloting these agents to manage supply chains, handle customer service tickets, and monitor IT issues, often with a human keeping an eye on things. Why is this so important? Because these agents are making complex operations way more efficient, freeing up people to focus on the bigger picture, strategy, creativity, and the stuff humans are still best at. It's a massive productivity boost, and we're only scratching the surface. Next, AI is breaking out of its text-only box with something called Multimodal AI. For years, AI was a one-trick pony. It could handle text, or images, or audio, but not all at once. Now, a single model can understand, combine, and generate content across all these formats. Advanced models from Google and OpenAI can now look at a chart, listen to your spoken questions about it, write up a summary, and even create a short video based on that summary. They can see, hear, and speak in a way that feels incredibly natural. This isn't just a cool party trick. It's making technology more intuitive. The apps you use every day are already integrating these features, letting you do things like search your photo library just by describing a scene out loud. This fusion of senses is making our interactions with technology feel less robotic and more human. If you're finding this useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We break down tech topics like this every week to keep you in the loop, without the headache. The third major innovation is happening in a field that impacts all of us. Healthcare. AI is no longer just a research project. It's a frontline tool that is actively improving patient care. In 2025, AI-powered tools are helping doctors spot diseases like cancer with incredible accuracy, sometimes even outperforming traditional methods. For example, some AI algorithms analyzing medical images for signs of cancer have reached accuracy rates that match or even exceed those of human experts, helping to catch it earlier. In stroke care, while experienced doctors are still the gold standard, AI is proving to be a valuable second reader, catching things that might have been missed and speeding up the diagnostic process when every second counts. Beyond diagnostics, AI is accelerating the discovery of new drugs by simulating molecular interactions, a process that used to take years. This is all paving the way for more personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to a person's unique genetic code. Ultimately, AI is empowering doctors to deliver faster, more precise, and more personalized care to patients everywhere. Finally, as AI gets more powerful, making sure it's used responsibly has become an innovation in its own right. This isn't just a talking point anymore. It's a critical framework being built to ensure AI stays safe, fair, and trustworthy. In 2025, there's a huge push for what's known as responsible AI. This involves creating policies and tools to handle risks like algorithmic bias, a lack of transparency, and those weird AI hallucinations where models just make stuff up. Companies and governments are now focused on AI governance to ensure there's always human oversight. A key part of this is making AI explainable, so we can actually understand how it reached a decision. That's pretty vital when it's being used in areas like finance and medicine. This is all about making sure that as we build smarter systems, we're also building them to be helpful for everyone, earning public trust along the way. So, that's the rundown. We have autonomous agents becoming our digital colleagues, multimodal systems that understand the world more like we do, life-saving breakthroughs in healthcare, and the critical guardrails of responsible AI. These innovations aren't some far-off dream. They are here now, actively changing how we work, create, and live. And honestly, staying informed is the best way to prepare for what's coming next. What AI innovation are you most excited, or maybe most concerned about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want to keep up with the fast-moving world of tech, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.